back and good morning, traders. Today's reminder is we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit, by Aristotle, right? So habits are key and crucial to our success when it comes to our daily lives and especially when it comes to trading. A successful year or a successful life is the sum total of many consecutive successful years. A successful year is the sum total of 12 consecutive successful months. A successful month is the sum total of 4 consecutive successful weeks. A successful week is the sum total of 7 consecutive successful days. A successful day is the sum total of the successful habits we practice that day. So what are you practicing today? So be efficient, be effective, execute, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
More money, more money! Ah, all very exciting.